Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your LED robot pants when multiple lights go out. So stay tuned for the video. Also, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit on the bell for notifications. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get started on how to fix your LED robot pants. Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to fix these pants. One of the lights went out, that makes the rest of the pant go out. So I'm going to show you how to fix them real quick. As you can see, they're the ones they sell over there in China, the long pants. So I know that some of the lights went out, so I'm going to show you how to fix them, alright? Alright guys, so the first thing we got to do is we got to find out where the problem is. So we're going to connect this. So we can see that the problem is right here. Take a closer look. This strip right here is making all those strips over there turn off. So what we're going to do really quick is we're going to change this strip, because as you can see, if you press it here, everything else works. So we're going to change this strip and we're going to make the whole pant light up. So that's the only problem that these pants have. Everything else works perfectly. So let's get to work and let's fix them. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out first. We're going to make a quick cut right here, take off the plastic, reveal all the colors. You can see they're all here, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Cut it out. This is a quick fix, guys. Doesn't take a rocket science, but all you have to do is just cut it, open it, reveal all the colors. And boom. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to unweld it carefully. We're going to unweld it on both sides carefully and take a close look with the camera. That way we know where each color goes. It's going to be black, green, red, blue. Alright, we're going to make sure that they're the same over here. Blue, red, green, black. Blue, red, green, black. There it is. There it is. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take off this strip. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to unstick the strip carefully. We don't want to rip the leather. So carefully, you just put your finger down here under and pull the strip up while you push the leather down. So we're going to do that till we take it off. Alright guys, we did it. Next step, we're going to unweld it from each side. All you have to do is just touch it with the tip of your iron welder and push them off. Push it off. Green. Push it off. And black. Push it off. There you go. And we do the same thing for this side. Push off the blue one. Push off the red one. Push off the green one. Push off the black one. There we go. Now, we have the bad strip. We don't know what happened to it. We just know it's bad. We're going to cut one exactly the same size. Cut the strips where the copper is, where it says 12 volts, green, red, and blue. So we got to cut it there. This one, as you can see, it's a double. So we're going to cut it here. 1, 2. Cut it right here. Right next, you get your knife. You go over here and you cut off a little bit of the plastic from the top. Make sure you don't go right through it, because you need the bottom part, and if you cut it, you're going to mess it up. So you just put your knife in through there. And there you go. You reveal it. So it's real easy to fix the robots. You're going to do that to the other side as well. Cut, don't go all the way through, cut the plastic. You can use a knife. And use your hand. Take it off. There you go. You reveal it. Alright, perfect. We're going to go to the next step. As you can see, all the copper. We're going to put a little dot of this wire solder right here. A dot on each one. There you go. And we put a dot on the next one. There you go. On the next one. There you go. Then you put a dot on the last one right there. There you go. Put a little bit more on this one. There you go. So that's it, guys. This side already had it where we cut it, so we're good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld it over here. Next, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna weld it back. So remember, the 12 bolt is black, and then every other one has the color green, red, and blue. So let's do it. First we're gonna do black. There you go. And we're gonna do green. Alright, so I'm gonna do it real quick and then I'll show you how it's. Alright guys, on this side we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna weld the black one on the plus 12, and then the green one on the green, the blue on the blue, and the red on the red. So we're gonna do that real quick and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, so as you can see, we welded the black one on the plus 12, and then we welded green on green, red on the R for red, and then blue on blue. We did that on both sides. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're done. We already welded it, black on black, the green on the G for green, the red on the R for red, and then the blue on the B for blue. We did that on both sides. As you can see on this side, we did it also. Black, green, red, blue. So now all we have to do is we're just going to put a little bit of tape. There you go. Put a little bit of tape on the other side as well. And we're just going to hide the cables back inside the pants. And now all we do is we just take off the little paper from the back so that the light sticks back into the pants. Use a knife or your hand, whatever you want, but as long as it gets the job done. Hide the lights. Glue them in here. Glue these over here. And there you go, guys. Now let's just test it out. Let's test it. All right, got my tester over here. Let's do it. Now we gotta turn on the battery. There you go. Let's see. Oh, there you go, guys. We fixed the pants. So as you can see, now they're working everywhere, both sides. Alright guys, so now we're going to give them back to my friend. My friend owns this robot, so I'm going to give it back to him working. And hopefully he gets back to work soon. So peace, see you on the next video, guys.